Paramount Electronics. We are experts in the repair of industrial and commercial electronics. Today we are going to show you how we are able to exercise an electronic actuator that was made by Rustronic. The function of the actuator is to control the operation of a Rustronic actuator, which regulates the speed of a turbine. We have developed a sophisticated test jig that tests each of the actuator's functions and proves it is fully operational before the repaired unit is returned to our customer. Right, we have 24 volt in there. We're going to just apply a signal to get it to move. That's the actuator, electronic actuator, and that's the mechanical valve actuator. Okay, and we just turn up the current. You can see the angle changing here as I change the signal input. Okay. And this, you know, we'd have to tune. That's it really. There's the actuator and our test jig. Right, that's it. I'm going to switch it off. And thanks for watching.